After you are done with selecting a perfect trading style for yourself, the next step is to find a forex strategy of that particular style. If you go out in the market looking for forex trading strategies, you will find a lot of them. Everyone out there is trying to sell a forex trading strategy that comes with some unrealistic promises of making huge money. Some of them even claim to have a holy grail strategy that doesn't fail. But it doesn't work like that. Most of them are just trying to make money by selling strategies. Not every strategy works. There are only a handful of strategies that will help you make money in the market. There are certain criteria that a good forex trading strategy should fulfill. And I call this a blueprint for selecting the best forex trading strategies. The first criteria is the risk to reward. I don't know why, but I have noticed the majority of traders only talk about the win rate. Even if you go out to buy a strategy, you will notice that most of them are selling a forex trading strategy based on win rate itself. I don't say win rate is not important, but the problem is the win rate doesn't even tell you 20% about the strategy. If I was to choose between a strategy with 80% win rate and no fixed risk to reward and a strategy with 50% win rate and 1:4 risk to reward, I would choose the strategy with 50% win rate and 1:4 risk to reward. Consider you have a trading strategy with 80% win rate but no fixed risk to reward. Now, what happens in this case is, even if you win 80% of your trades and make a decent amount of money, the 20% trades which you will lose can blow up your account and make you lose your money, as the strategy doesn't have a proper risk to reward ratio. The trading strategy should always have a high or decent amount of risk to reward ratio. If the risk to reward is low, then you should at least know how much you are risking and what is the reward. The second criteria is the risk management plan. This is the most important thing for any forex trader. I have been trading for 8 years now, and I haven't seen a single forex trader who is making money in forex and is not good with risk management. Every professional trader out there excellently manages risk, and that's what makes them successful. So it is very important to choose a strategy that has its very own risk management plan. The third criteria is multiple setups. Many professional traders don't rely on single setups for placing a trade. We have different structures in the strategy and we use it accordingly. Waiting for a single kind of setup can be too dull and can make you lose your patience and make you do things which you should not be doing. For example, if your strategy has only one kind of setup, then your mind will make you enter a trade too early without even the setup being confirmed. And this can be very bad for your account. So always choose a strategy which has multiple setups included in it. Now the fourth criteria is indicators. Indicators ain't loyal. A strategy should not be totally dependent upon indicator. I'm telling you this from the experience I have. I'm not saying indicators are useless or they do not work. It does work, but then it needs some extra confirmation. If you're trading with a strategy that makes you enter a trade based on the indicator itself, then you are in big trouble. You need to understand this. Humans make indicators and they are just there to improve your trading. It isn't a holy grail technique that will ensure you a 100% win rate. So while choosing a strategy, always make sure that the strategy is not totally based on indicators. The fifth criteria is trade management plan. Every strategy has a trade management plan which tells us when to get out of a trade or when to enter a trade. A trade management plan helps you to manage your trades properly and works as a navigation system for you. It guides you with different trading scenarios and helps you face them with ease. So the strategy you choose must have a proper trade management plan included. So these are the important criteria which you should consider while choosing a forex trading strategy.